Coming to the awards for the session 2018-19. So the first category is Sant Kripal Singh Ji Maharaj Scholarship for Excellence in Academy. So I'm going to announce the name. So from class 5th, I would like to call Divakar Jha along with his parents for receiving the scholarship worth rupees 3,500. Divakar Jha. And the next for class 6, be ready, Nishtha, for the scholarship award. Class 5th, Divakar Jha.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations, dear Divakar. Now next, from class 6, I would like to call Nishtha along with her parents for receiving the scholarship worth rupees 3,500. Next, from class 7, I would like to call Jashandeep Singh. Be ready, Jashandeep Singh, along with his parents. Congratulations, dear. From class 7th, I would like to call again Jashandeep Singh along with his parents. Now next, from class 8, I would like to call Mayank Katnoria. Congratulations, Jashandeep Singh. Again, I'm requesting all the parents to give a virtual clap. From class 8, I would like to call Mayank Katnoria. Congratulations, Mayank. Next, from class 9, I would like to call Sanampreet Singh. Congratulations, dear. From class 9, I would like to call Sanampreet Singh along with his parents for receiving the scholarship worth rupees 3,500. Congratulations, Sanam. Now, coming for the session 2019 and 20. So the first category, Sant Kripal Singh Ji Maharaj Scholarship worth rupees 5,000 goes to from class 6. So again, I'm going to call Divakar Jha along with his parents for receiving the scholarship worth rupees 5,000. Divakar. I'm again requesting all the parents to give a virtual clap. Congratulations, Divakar. Now from class 7, I would like to call Nishtha. Be ready, Nishtha. Congratulations, dear. I would like to call Nishtha along with her parents for receiving the scholarship worth rupees 5,000. Congratulations, Nishtha. Now, the next category is Sant Rajinder Singh Ji Scholastic Scholarship. So, for this award, I would like to call Dilpreet Kaur from class 12 science stream for receiving the scholarship worth rupees 11,000. Dilpreet Kaur. Congratulations to the proud parents. Now, coming to session 2020 and 21. So, we're having first category, Sant Kripal Singh Ji Maharaj Scholarship. So, from class 7th, I would like to call again Divakar Jha, along with his parents, for receiving the scholarship worth rupees 5,000. Divakar Jha. Congratulations, dear. Next, from class 8, I would like to call Nishtha. Again, I'm requesting to all the parents to give a virtual clap. From class 8, I would like to call Nishtha. Congratulations, Nishtha. Now next, from class 11, I would like to call Jaskarandeep Singh Jashan. Jaskarandeep Singh Jashan along with his parents for receiving the scholarship worth rupees 5,000. Congratulations. Again, I'm requesting all the parents to give a virtual clap. I heartily congratulate all the parents and students. Now, I would like to request Principal Sir for vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon to all the parents, students, and their staff members. It is really a moment of proud and honor for all the parents as well as the students who have earned laurels for themselves, for their parents, and for the school as well. As briefed by Mrs. Smriti in the beginning of today's session, that we have 4 different kinds of scholarships. These scholarships have been designed keeping in mind the various aspects of a student's personality. A student may be good at academics, may be good at sports, and even may be good at any other co-curricular activities or the other performing arts. So Darshan Academy Jajua caters to all the qualities and capabilities of all the students. We nurture their qualities, we improve upon them, and we enable them to excel in the field of their choice. That is the reason these students have been able to earn their scholarship and make their parents proud. And as it was mentioned, these scholarships are performance-based. These are open for all the students and act as a very good motivating factor for the other students who could not get the scholarship this time, but the road is open for them. The door is open for them. The way these students have got their scholarships and have made their parents proud of them, in the same manner, I would expect that next year there will be many more students who will earn their scholarships and who will make their parents and the school proud of them. I take this opportunity to thank all the parents who have joined us virtually, as because of government guidelines, it was not possible for us to organize a function in the school because we are still following the COVID protocol very seriously as directed by the government and the department in their guidelines. Here I would like to mention that sometimes some of the parents, they visit me and they ask me, I'll tell in Hindi, sir, बाकी तो कोई परवाह करता नहीं कोरोना गाइडलाइन की, आप क्यों करते हैं? And my reply to those parents is only one, that rules are meant for all. कानून, नियम, कायदे सबके लिए बनाए जाते हैं. जैसे हेलमेट का कानून सबके लिए है, सीट बेल्ट का कानून सबके लिए है, मगर हर कोई ना तो हेलमेट पहनता है, ना ही हर कोई सीट बेल्ट लगाता है. ऐसे में अगर जिसने हेलमेट या सीट बेल्ट यूज ना की हो, पुलिस उसे पकड़ ले, तो वो ये नहीं कह सकता कि मैं सही हूं और जिसने हेलमेट और सीट बेल्ट का यूज किया हुआ है वो गलत है. आप भी मेरे से इत्तेफाक रखेंगे इस बात पे कि जो कानून का पालन करता है वो हमेशा कानून की नजरों में सही होता है. एंड बीइंग अ स्कूल, this is what we are supposed to teach to our children as well. अगर हम बड़े कानून का, नियम कायदों का पालन नहीं करेंगे तो हम बच्चों को क्या सिखाएंगे और हम बच्चों से नजरें कैसे मिला पाएंगे? हमें आने वाली पीढ़ी को लॉ अबाइडिंग सिटीजन्स बनाना है और उसके लिए पहले हमें लॉ अबाइडिंग सिटीजन्स बनना है. And for the same reason, we are very sincerely, seriously, and meticulously following all the COVID protocols and guidelines which have been enforced by the government agencies till now. जब गवर्नमेंट अलाउ कर देगी तो डेफिनेटली हम भी इन गाइडलाइंस से थोड़ा थोड़ा ग्रेजुअली पीछे हट जाएंगे, मगर जब तक सरकार की तरफ से ये गाइडलाइंस फोर्स में है और जब तक हमारे बच्चों को किसी भी तरह का कोविड से, कोरोना से खतरा है, तब तक मैं, मेरा पूरा दर्शन एकेडमी परिवार, हम लोग कमिटेड हैं कोविड गाइडलाइंस को सीरियसली फॉलो करने के लिए. एंड दैट इज द रीजन वी हैव ऑर्गेनाइज्ड दिस फंक्शन इन द वर्चुअल मोड so that none of the guidelines are violated. I hope you will appreciate this effort by us and you will cooperate with us as you have been cooperating in the past. Gradually, the fear of corona is subsiding. धीरे धीरे सब कुछ नॉर्मलाइज हो रहा है. Let's pray to God कि जल्दी से जल्दी ये कोविड नाम का खतरा हमारे सिर से टल जाए, सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो जाए और हमारे बच्चे पहले की तरह ही खुली हवा में सांस ले पाएं. With these words, I would like to say thank you once again. Thank you all the parents, all dear students, all dear staff members. Thank you very much.